Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you so simple baby blanket. This is only 2 rows repeating and this has a 3D effect. You can see that. If you use more thicker yarns, you get your 3D effect more better. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. I use this simple border on it. You can change your border easily. I made a sample. You can say it seems like to be waffle stitch, but this is more easier than it. Okay, you do that easily. If you are a beginner, this is for you, I promise. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple, the easiest 3D baby blanket. Let's start to crochet. I have size 4 yarn. It's 100 grams is in 180 meters and I will use 5 millimeter hook. We need for this blanket pattern multiples of 3 plus 1. Okay. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make your chains multiples of 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 27 chains and plus 1. Start our pattern with single crochet. Skip very first stitch and insert my hook second one. Grab my yarn and pull through 2. Then insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2. We will make a single crochet in every each stitch. I have totally 28 stitch, so we will make our chains when we start multiples of 3 plus 2. We start repeating of this pattern. Chain 1 and turn my work. Not count this chain 1 and insert my hook very first stitch, grab my yarn and make a single crochet. Then chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third one and join with a single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third one, join with a single. Chain 2, skip 2, insert into the third one and make a single crochet. Continue like that in this row. Chain 2, skip 2 and make a single. Chain 2, skip 2 and do my last single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and turn my work. Yarn over and make in this space 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and insert your hook front to back, then front, and make front post double crochet on the single crochet of previous row. Yarn over and come to the chain 2 space and make here 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over and insert your hook behind of this single crochet and make a front post double crochet. Then again come to chain 2 space and make 3 double. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and make front post double. Make 3 double crochet. Yarn over and make front post double. 2, 3 double. Insert your hook behind of this single crochet and make front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and insert your hook like that and make one front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next stitch is front post double crochet. 1, 2 and 3 double crochet in chain 2 space, then make one front post, come to last chain 2 and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, and finish your row with usual double crochet on the last stitch, as same as the starting. Now repeat the second row, chain 1 and turn your work. Not count this and insert into the very first stitch and make a single crochet. Then chain 2, and now a little difference here. After we will keep repeating those 2 rows, skip 1, 2, 3 and insert your hook this front post stitch and join with a single crochet. Chain 2 and skip 3 stitch, insert into the fourth one and join with a single. Chain 2, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, join with a single crochet. Skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one. Chain 2, skip 3, insert into the fourth one. Chain 2, skip 3 and come to the last stitch and join with a single crochet. Chain 3 and turn your work and do the same thing again. Make 3 double in chain 2 space. Make front post on single crochet of previous row. That's the pattern. It's so simple, only 2 rows repeating. You will keep crocheting like that. I will grow up mine after turn to you and I show you finishing part, after make a little border on it and finish our video. I complete and turn to you. Mine yarn is multicolor and completed like that. You can see that this is background and this is the front side, and you can see the effect. If you use more thicker yarns, you will get more 3D effect. And I finish the last row with single crochet, 2 single into chain space, 1 single on the, I made here front post single crochet on the single crochet stitch. Okay, now we start to make our border. I will take my cream yarn for that and change my hook. I take 4mm hook, make a slip knot and insert my hook any of that corner and join with a single crochet. Then insert into the next stitch, grab my yarn and insert into the next stitch, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, 1, 2, 3 chains. Then insert my hook from these loops, grab my yarn and make a single and make a picot. Insert into the next stitch, insert into the next stitch. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert my hook these front loops, take it and make a single. Do the same thing, take a loop, insert into the next, take a loop. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, then 1, 2, 3 or 4, it's your choice. Then insert your hook from these loops and make a single crochet. next stitch, take a loop, next stitch, take a loop, 3 loops, 1 2 3 chains, here 3 front loops, take them and join with a single crochet. I come to corner and turn to you. I come to corner and now I insert my hook on the corner stitch, take a loop, yarn over, insert into the same, take a loop, yarn over, insert into the same, take a loop. I have 2 4 6 7 loops, pull through all together and make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, and this time insert my hook these 2 loops, grab my yarn. After that, keep crocheting as same as take a loop, take a loop. I have 3 loops, pull through all together, chain 3 and make my picot. I prefer to make a big picot on the corner. Here you can see one post, one single. We insert our hook twice time in post, 1, after single, 1 2 3 and pull it. Now I come to post, insert here, take a loop and insert my hook from the bottom of that post and grab my yarn and do the same thing. I turn all around and turn to you. I come to the end and this is our starting point. I insert here, take a loop, yarn over, take a loop, yarn over, take a loop. I have 7 loops, pull through all together, 1 2 3 4 5 and insert this time here, join with a single crochet and make a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut my yarn. I hope you like this tutorial. It's so simple and 3D effects baby blanket. If you are a beginner, this is for you. You can do that easily. I choose this simple border with picots. You can change it easily. If you use more thicker yarn, I will tell you again, you take your 3D effect more better. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.